Alright, so I can't say so. Okay. Hey guys, so I bought a new drawing tablet because my old one was a Wacom one, and I think I sat on the wire or something, so it broke. So you would have to hold it a certain way for it to actually connect, and I don't really like that. And so I bought a Huion one, just right here off Amazon, and I picked it up yesterday, but I haven't unboxed it because I wanted to make this video and kind of go through the unboxing with you guys. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But my desk is currently taken by my homework that I should be doing, but I'm doing this video. But let's get started with the unboxing video. Alright, so the lighting is really bright, but this is the box that it came in, and it's like humongous. I don't know why. This video is not going to be that long because I just want to see what's inside and show you guys basically what is inside and what it comes with, because I have not used this brand before, so it's very new. So this is what it comes with, and there's a bunch of air packages on the side, and here's tofu. I don't know what this is, but this is something to probably the charger, portable charger or something, a charging cable probably, and a cable to connect to the laptop. And this is the tablet itself. It's actually pretty big. This is how big it is, the size of my hand. Oh, and I'm leaving some marks, but that's how big it is. Pen and probably heads, CD, manual. Don't read those. I'm gonna open this pencil. So this is the pencil. It has a cap, which is pretty cool, and then it also has a really fine tip. That's pretty nice, and it has a pretty good clean look to it. Sorry if I'm like crouching right now, because if I stood up straight, it'd be like this. But then I have to be like this, and so it's so weird. I'm going to show you guys with one hand what this thing is, and so I'm going to open this up. So this top is not really anything, but this right here is everything. I didn't realize, but in here there's the extra pen tips, and then this is the thing you pull out the pen tips with. And this whole thing is really cool because it's a container for your pen tips and the thing that you use to pull out your pen tips. So on the tablet itself, it has an undo button, eraser, a pencil, zoom buttons, I guess, a pencil plus, I don't know what that means or what it does, pencil minus, and a hand grabby thing which probably moves your canvas around. That's all it came with. And so yeah, so that kind of concludes the unboxing video. It's not like this really long video or anything. It was just supposed to be a short video of me opening the package and showing you guys what's inside and what it looks like and how it functions, I guess. Be prepared for videos with digital art, or just digital art, more digital art in general. Wow, those words are hard to say. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.